Okay, hey guys, welcome to TEKMENT. Today we're doing the how to install a graphics card into a system. So we got this MSI Radeon R7 265 OC edition. We're going to install it into our computer, and we're going to show you how to do that. But before installing it, you just need to unplug everything from your computer, the power cable and everything. We have did that, and you need to unplug everything that comes in the way. We have unplugged the the fan headers because it came on the way. And after that, just get away for time. You need screws too. After that, let's get this screen. Before installing, you need to remove your brackets. We got two slot graphics cards, so we need to remove two brackets. Okay, first of all, unscrew the bracket sealed. We remove the screws, and this is how we remove it sealed. I think so. After that, we just let's break these brackets. Okay, like this. Alright, now two brackets are gone. After that, we are ready to install the graphics card. So before installing graphics card, you need to, if you have any seal protecting the your pins, you can just remove them before installing. Here, here, and some here. Okay, all removed. So now it's time to install. Okay, so it's time to install the graphics card, but before that you need to find a free PCI Express X16 slot. We got two free PCI Express slots, but the first one here is the X16, is the X4, it's not X16, so we are installing here. So just gently put your, there's a notch here and here, as you can see there, notch, so it will go only one direction. So let's just put like this. We're gonna just install it right here like this. Just press it a little bit. Now it's locked there. Now it's time to screw the screw the graphics card. So here we have to screw it. Okay, so before screwing up, you need to install back your shield like this. Then position it with your holes of graphics card. Then let's install. Okay, now it's time to install the screws back here. Okay, after that you need to install your power cable, from PSU. If you don't have any external power required for your graphics card, you don't need to install it. But we need to install it because our graphics card wants some extra juice. We got PCIe, as you can see here, PCIe 8-pin connector. We just need 6 pin because our graphics card need only 6. See here, just install it like this. From here it goes. Okay, so now it's locked in position, and you perhaps hear a click, but not every time. Okay, so it's now in place. Okay guys, so it's how it's look after installing the graphics card. As you can see there, graphics card is now installed, and it's quite looks cool with MSI logo there. Yes, we don't have a clean look, but it's okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to TEKMENT to watch new videos like this, and like this video if you liked it, share with your friends, and last but not least, have a nice day.